Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Faith. If you're just stopping by for the first time, I really want to say welcome. And for the returning subscribers, man, you guys are wonderful. Thanks for always coming back. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and also the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I make new upload. So what I'm doing today is how to draw your eyebrow. Like from the first step I did was to apply my hair wax in order to keep the hair in the right position, like not to scatter. That was what I did. That was the essence of using the hair wax. Then I now go in with the powder. The essence of using that powder is to calm what I applied at first. That's the hair wax, in order not to have that oily look on it. So after applying my powder, I'm now going in with my carrot eye gel. I pencil what am I saying? Carrot eyebrow gel. Sorry, that's what I'm using currently. So I'll be taking my time to draw my brows. Like brows is just the main thing in makeup. So that's what me I see, sha. So you just have to draw your brows. Take your time. You can see what I'm actually doing. I'm taking my time in drawing my brows. Start drawing. If I've gotten what I want, then you have to start feeling. I take my time in feeling my brows. Yeah. Now I've gotten what I want. The next thing I'm going in with is my concealer from Zekiel, and I'm using the creamy ivy and the nude. So I'll first of all go in with my creamy ivy. And if you notice very well, whenever I apply any of my concealer, either the nude or the lighter one, I'll have to blend it inside. The essence of me blending this concealer inside is to avoid it to get sticky. Once air touches it, it will get sticky, and you find it very difficult to blend it in. So each step, whenever I apply my concealer, I just go in immediately and blending it to my skin. Guys, you can see how I'm taking my time to blend. See, blending is just the key in makeup. Whatever you do, you make sure you blend it very well. And now on the upper part of the brow, I will not be using my concealer. You can also use your concealer in doing it, but I will not be using my concealer. But what I will be using is, I'll be using my foundation, so that by the time I'm applying the whole face foundation on the whole face, I'll not find it difficult to blend. But if you should use concealer and you are not careful, you will see there will be different, I don't know, the difference will show. So that's why it is advisable to always use foundation on the upper side of the brow. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and drop your comments. You can like and as well share. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.